In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values based on other cells in Google Sheets using the SUMIF function. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's pick the cell where we want our summation to appear. Click on that target cell. This is where the magic will happen. Now, we'll begin our formula. All formulas in Google Sheets start with the equal sign, so type that in your selected cell. Next, type SUMIF and open a parenthesis. This function will help us sum a range of numbers, but only for cells that meet a particular condition or criterion. It's handy and efficient, so let's put it to good use. The first parameter of our function is the range that we will evaluate with the criterion. Since we're checking by group, you'll want to select the column that distinguishes these groups, whether it's column A or B. Click and drag across this column to select the entire range. With the range selected, press F4 on your keyboard. This locks the range, so if you copy the formula to another cell, the reference won't shift. Don't forget to insert a comma after this. It tells Google Sheets we're moving on to the next part of our function. Now, let's specify our criterion. Since we're focusing on group A, you'll need to type equals A, but be sure to surround this with quotation marks. This sets our condition, meaning only consider cells where the value equals A. Typing a comma after this parameter will guide us to the final part of our formula. The last parameter of the SUMIF function is the range of values we actually want to sum. Click and drag to select the range of the value column. Then press F4 again to lock these cells as well. With everything in place, simply close the parenthesis to wrap up your formula. Congratulations! You've just set up a SUMIF function. If everything is in order, you should see the summation of all values corresponding to group A in your target cell. What's really cool about this is its dynamic nature. Adjust any values in your table and watch the result update instantly. It's real-time and very convenient for continuous data monitoring. Now, let's say you want to switch focus to Group B. It's as simple as changing your criterion parameter. Replace equals A with equals B within those quotation marks. Execute the change, and you'll now see the summation for Group B's numbers. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've harnessed the power of Google Sheets and can now sum values efficiently based on your given criteria. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep experimenting with different criteria to fully appreciate the versatility of the SUMIF function.